when you get a crazy opportunity, you grab it with both hands. So when my husband got this opportunity to come to Jamaica for his job, we decided to take this adventure because most of our friends, they gone to US or UK for their masters or for job offers, but both me and my husband, we love adventures, and we wanted to take this unconventional path because nobody moves from India to Jamaica, but we wanted to do something different and we wanted to take this adventure, and I'm so glad we did, because the things that we are witnessing, the life we are living, we wouldn't have lived if we hadn't decided to take this chance. And it's different and it's exciting, and we will definitely cherish this forever.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So folks, it has come to our attention that lately most of the people are suddenly flocking Jamaica. And I've asked myself why. And I have researched and I found out that lately there's been a quiet but a very powerful shift on global travel trend. And all signs are pointing to one destination, Jamaica. It's not just a vacation hotspot anymore. It's becoming something much bigger. Whether it's tourists or digital nomads, remote workers, or even investors, people from all over the world are suddenly flocking to the island in record numbers. But what's behind this occupying Jamaica? Why do many people love occupying Jamaica? Is it just the beaches and reggae, or is there something deeper going on? So today we're diving into why so many people are being pulled towards Jamaica and why this movement might be more than just a trend. So folks, sit back, relax and enjoy. I want to post you some videos so that you can confirm what I'm saying is true. And after the videos, I'll be back so that we can discuss why there are many people flocking to Jamaica. Because different people have different opinions, I'd like to see your opinions in the comment section.
And another thing, why is it that people actually believe that Jamaica's unsafe? Right now, the phone that I'm filming with, it's just a phone that I have to take pictures. It doesn't have a SIM card in it, it doesn't have anything in it. So if anything happens to me right now, I have no way to call anyone. But I feel so safe, like, bro. I don't understand. I'm on the side of the road right now, there's so many cars. You can see they're passing me in the background. And I'm fine. Nobody's even beeping me. I feel so comfortable to do this. So if you guys are afraid to come to Jamaica and you're scared to walk and people have been, spreading that propaganda, don't believe it. I always say there's crime here, but unless you're involved in the crime, you're fine. You know what family where I come from? I'm fine. There's nothing here. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. Somebody I beat me. Go and live for yourself and see things for yourself, experience things for yourself.
Jamaicans and like reggae and that influenced the whole world.
Yeah.
Personally, like I think a lot of culture that has come from over there. You get me? Like, even the way the man them dress and that, from like in Bridge, everyone's loud, like super loud. Like, you get me? That's a yard man thing.
Listen me up quickly. You see, if you never born in Jamaica, you are not Jamaican. Because no fan don't know the Jamaican cultural background. You don't know Jamaican civics. The only thing you know about Jamaica is the ackee and saltfish are the national dish. Some man take up on yourself, oh, I'm Jamaican, I'm cooking rice and peas and oxtail. And when you check it out, the rice and peas flavor like you cook rice and peas porridge, and the oxtail long like a oxtail soup when you cook. Oh, me for tell you, say a 14 portion of Jamaica, you ask me what me talk about. Me tell you, say me I got the bread basket parish. You ask me which part of the bread basket parish. You never know, say a St. Elizabeth that. Oh, you're Jamaican and I know, say they got the parish of St. Anne's. Me tell you, say me I go obey your mate for you. I go ask me which part you can go for that. Now must up a St. Thomas. And then me tell you, say right now, me I go try get a chopper and me I go look for a chopper. I go ask me which parish the chopper them there. Now must St. James, Mobile to be exact. Like, get it together, man. You say if your mother and father did born in Jamaica, that doesn't give you the privilege to say you are Jamaican. Because a lot of y'all don't know our heritage. The only thing you know about Jamaica are the fact that ackee and saltfish are the national dish, and Bob Marley and Usain Bolt come from Jamaica, and the Honorable Shelley and Fraser Price. But y'all don't know nothing about Jamaica. You know, embarrassing to sound a Jamaican. Because some man can't even talk patois fluently, and yet still not claim Jamaican citizenship. Y'all not Jamaicans. We don't want to know a part of our culture. A lot of y'all are big shame and disgrace, especially the fact when you know company internet and so on and chef. Come stop embarrassing and stop so and prepare Jamaican dishes because we don't claim them. So we try to get it together and fix it. Y'all not Jamaicans. I wanna need Uno to be a part of our culture.
As if you needed another reason to go to Jamaica, here are 5 reasons why I'm gonna tell you to go to Jamaica and book that trip right now. Number 1, Jamaica hosts the largest reggae festival in the world. Okay, so if you like reggae music and you're trying to have a good time on an island, this is the place to go. Okay, it's every summer. I think it's usually in July, like mid-July, sometimes early August, but it is an undefeated experience, I'm telling you. Now, if you want to learn about how the local people are living, you find your local Rastaman. Okay, make sure he's at least 65 years old, looks like he's 40. Okay, and he's going to give you all the tea about everything that's been going on, not only with the local people, if you want to ask, but also with the tourism, with people coming in, buying lands, and just how everything and all of that is affecting the Jamaican people. Additionally, if he is on a cart or a bicycle selling fruits, that's going to be the best fruit that you have for your whole trip. I'm just letting you know now. This one I don't really want to elaborate too much on because, you know, of all the guidelines on TikTok, but just know. All right, okay. Here's another one for you. Did you know that most all-inclusive Jamaican resorts include wedding packages? So if you want to get married in Jamaica, it actually doesn't cost any more. You can actually get married in Jamaica, get the license in Jamaica. You don't even have to apply for it back home. You can get it in Jamaica. So talk about the ease of planning a wedding. I mean, literally just showing up, applying for it, and getting it 24 hours later for your beautiful wedding on a Jamaican beach. I'm not even engaged, but like, come on, it's giving everything it needs to give. And I mean, just the diversity, okay? The diversity in Jamaica is so crazy. You have white Jamaicans, black Jamaicans, obviously, Asian Jamaicans, okay? Like Korean Jamaicans, okay? And then that is all reflected in the food there. So when you go to Jamaica and you eat food, there are options for every type of diet. Vegans, vegetarians, pescatarians, meat eaters, okay? Omnivores, okay? So if you have some type of special dietary need, they're going to be able to accommodate you. Like my mom has celiac disease, so when I went there, I was looking for things that she could eat and honestly found so many things that she could eat without having to worry about gluten in her diet. So we already knew Jamaican food was good, but just adding a layer on top of that they actually have diversity in flavors and in different dietary needs. And I think another reason why Jamaica's cuisine is just so diverse is also because of the Rastafari culture and their Itar diet, which is really focused on eating things from the earth. They have like some really intricate like things that you're not supposed to eat. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know for the most part they're eating vegan. And you know, if they can make vegan food taste good, which I know it's not hard and I hate saying this, but it's so true. Like if you can make vegan food taste good, you know how to cook. So yeah, if you needed any more reasons to go to Jamaica, I just gave you 5. So you're welcome.
Me, some people have come out and I say, when you left from foreign and go down to Jamaica, you can't but go down to go show off because Jamaican people them look good. Now, my question to them people is, first question is, what is show off and what do you see as show off? Do you see people who left from overseas after they save all of how much years? Yeah? Come down to Jamaica to come have some fun. Rent one vehicle, put themselves together, and come down to Jamaica to come enjoy the country and enjoy the sunshine. Do you people see that as show off? Me I try to understand what I mean by show off. Because me don't know why one of things if people from foreign come down to Jamaica for come in a competition with people. Jamaican people are look good long time. Yeah? Jamaican people are one of the people who always look good, always live up to certain standards with the way them carry themselves. So nobody now left from foreign to go to Jamaica go in a competition or try to look better than the next person. People just left from where they left from after working so hard for going to the sunshine, go enjoy the country. There's nothing about people left from where they left from for come to Jamaica, come show off, yeah? So only just loud or something there. And that me I tell you now.
Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you have watched that video and it's very, very interesting indeed. Jamaica has always had a global appeal, but this new wave of attention feels very different, more intentional, more passionate, as you have seen in the videos. One more major reason is authenticity. Unlike other overly polished Caribbean destinations, Jamaica still feels real. It hasn't lasted into the souls. You are not just sipping rum by the sea, you are feeling the pulse of reggae music, tasting the real jack from roadside stands and hearing stories that go back from generations. False, there are a magnetic energy here and people are craving that this kind of raw immersive experience, especially after years of pandemic, isolation and digital burnout. On top of that, folks, the country is learning into wellness and culture in a big ways. Ecotourism is becoming the way of life. Retreats of cast on mindfulness, nature, and healing are popping up across the island. First, in Jamaica, the culture is very. I think they say the motto is the people, one people. Because even when you hear the reggae music from Bob Marley, Christopher Martin, Vibes, Cartel, Wild Boss, right? I know you mention them, yeah. Events like Reggae Sumfest and Rebel Salute aren't just drawing music loves, they are drawing culture seekers. And it's very interesting that people in Jamaica, they love living together. They believe that the more united they are, the more the growth they make. They believe with their motto, one people. As you have seen from the videos, many people love relocating to Jamaica because of the unity they have, because of the culture, right? Because of the reggae music, the peace, their language, very respectful. And first, I know you have watched that video and it's very, very interesting. So what does all this mean? Jamaica is having a moment, not just as a tourist destination, but as a cultural force. First, people are no longer just looking for a place to escape. They are searching for connection, for unity, for peace, for enjoyment, I know. Mention them back. Meaning, and a lifestyle that feels more alive. And for many Jamaicans, is offering exactly that. That's I've mentioned. This isn't just Jamaica. This isn't just a vacation for many. It's a shift in mindsets, a return of rhythm, a rediscovery of soul. Whether you're planning a trip, a move, or just curious about what's drawing the world to this island, one thing is very clear, folks. Jamaica isn't just calling. People are finally listening. And for those who have never visited Jamaica, I prefer you take a visit to Jamaica, a vacation maybe for a week, and you tell me the difference. There's a very big difference. The Jamaican people are very welcoming. They are very united. I love them. Even their culture, their beliefs, right? Their music, Vibes Cartel, Bob Marley, name them. If you hear the songs, They are very united. They are very motivated. They are very educational. And false, I think we have come to the end of our commentary today. Feel free to comment about what you think about Jamaica if you have already visited them. If you are living in Jamaica, feel free to comment. Tell us your opinion. We'll take it positively. But first, remember to keep the comment section healthy. We're here to educate ourselves. We're here to promote unity. We are here to gather people together to know how to live with each other. We are here to learn cultures from many countries. First, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you like videos like this, first, I'm here for you. I'm always posting interesting videos about Jamaica. Keep in touch form. Thank you for your support. Keep watching, keep subscribing, liking, and share. Thank you. Until next time in the next episode. Peace, brothers and sisters.